Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Massive Phenomenon 7. Never before seen magnetic waves. All types of strange and elusive phenomena pass through the Earth every day, from shadowy particles to unknown waves. But thanks to the European Space Agency or ESA and their satellite project SWARM, we now know a little more about our planet's internal happenings. By analyzing data collected by SWARM, scientists at the ESA found an entirely new type of magnetic wave. The unprecedented ripple sweeps the surface of the outer core at the speed of 932 miles per hour, or 1,500 kilometers per year. It sounds low, but it's far more rapid than scientists anticipated. Geophysicists have long theorized over the existence of such waves, explained Nicholas Gillett, lead author of the study, but they were thought to take place over much longer timescales than our research has shown. Measurements of the magnetic field from instruments based on the surface of Earth suggested that there was some kind of wave action, but we needed the global coverage offered by measurements from space to reveal what is actually going on. Number 6. Hallmarks of Earth's galactic travels. In 2022, geologists tracked Earth's path as it soared through the Milky Way. And how did they do this? By examining minute crystals from the Earth's crust. These grains are tinier than the width of a hair, yet they tell the tale of an astronomical voyage. Researchers pulled off this remarkable feat by decoding the age and composition of these minerals. As the solar system shifts across the Milky Way, icy debris gets knocked out of its outer reaches and soars inward. Some of the material is spun to slam into Earth, striking at 32.3 miles per second or 52 kilometers per second. Evidence of these high-energy impacts remains preserved in tiny crystals in the crust, enabling geologists to plot the planet's course across the cosmos. 5. Core leaking helium from Big Bang. A rare form of helium gas is escaping from the Earth's core, and scientists reckon it could date back to the formative stages of the universe. In a 2022 study, researchers at the American Geophysical Union demonstrated just how much helium-3 gas is emitted from the heart of the planet. Helium-3 is most often created in enormous, rotating disks of gas and thus known as solar nebulae. Many astronomers believe that the solar system was born inside a solar nebula, and this newfound evidence suggests that Earth could have been too. It's a wonder of nature, explained lead author Peter Olson, and a clue for the history of the Earth that there's still a significant amount of this isotope in the interior of Earth. 4. Giant river under Antarctica. Deep beneath Antarctica, there lies a river that stretches for 285 miles or 460 kilometers longer than London's Thames. Scientists uncovered the behemoth water feature using an aircraft-mounted radar system. Aerial surveys revealed the gigantic river to run beneath the Antarctic ice sheets and drain into the Weddell Sea. When we first discovered lakes beneath the Antarctic ice a couple of decades ago, we thought they were isolated from each other, said Martin Siegert from the Grantham Institute at Imperial College London. Now we are starting to understand there are whole systems down there, interconnected by vast river networks, just as they might be if there weren't thousands of meters of ice on top of them. 3. Hidden zone uncovered beneath tectonic plates. A hidden region of partly molten rocks lurks beneath the tectonic plates. So say scientists from the University of Texas, who unearthed the elusive zone in a 2023 study into the asthenosphere. This newfound layer is part of the upper mantle, lying around 100 miles or 161 kilometers under the surface. Its discovery sheds new light on the inner workings of the mantle. Scientists know that the asthenosphere acts as a soft boundary of sorts between the upper mantle and tectonic plates, but exactly how that boundary works is less understood. This new research indicates that heat and rock convection in the mantle has a major effect on plate motion and not melt, as previously thought. Number 2. Unidentified structures near the core. In 2020, geophysicists from the University of Maryland announced that they had discovered something strange while scouring through the records of seismic waves. The data showed signs of hot regions of highly dense rock between the core and the mantle. Scientists had already caught a glimpse of the structures before, but the new research gave greater insight into their nature and properties. By studying signals from under the Pacific Ocean basin, the Maryland team pieced together evidence of a previously unidentified structure beneath the Marquesas Islands and the South Pacific. As lead author Do-yeon Kim explained, by looking at thousands of core mantle boundary echoes at once, instead of focusing on a few at a time as is usually done, we have gotten a totally new perspective. Number 1. Goliath Ocean of Water. One giant reservoir under the surface contains enough water to fill every ocean on Earth 3 times over. The discovery of this Goliath waterway began in 2014 when U.S. scientists deployed thousands of seismometers to measure the signals from some 500 earthquakes. The data displayed evidence of a ringwoodite, a rock formed under immense pressure 400 miles or 700 kilometers beneath our feet. Ringwoodite is incredibly absorbent, and researchers have calculated that if just 1% of the rock is below water, that points to a record-breaking subterranean ocean. The ringwoodite is like a sponge, soaking up water. There is something very special about the crystal structure of ringwoodite that allows it to attract hydrogen and trap water. Geophysicist Steve Jacobson told reporters, "This mineral can contain a lot of water under conditions of the deep mantle." This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.